The defense is too easy for Bataan right now, just focusing on Dave.
Playing without DJ Fenner today. Ives Sazon, one dribble pull up again.
Pero itong si Ibanez, ang dala nito, depensa eh. So he can give a new flavor, and right now he is playing good. Getting that assist once again, going to Ives Sazon.
Of who wants it more, and right now it seems like they want it more. Yun ang naging mensahe ni Coach Yong sa kanyang mga players during halftime. Pinaka nakukulangan siya sa energy ng kanyang koponan.
Chito Jaime locates Ives Sazon, catch and shoot, puts it in. 12 points for Ives Sazon. Sazon lost it. Dave Ildefonso is ahead, and he will lay it in for two.
But offensively, on their half-court setup, they are tentative on their decision-making today's ball game. Another steal.
Another poor pass. Needs to a layup. Expect a timeout. Sazon. Almost another steal. Chris Javier lines it up and puts it in.
And whenever he gets that opening, comfortable to take that jumper is Chris Javier.
De Los Reyes likes this matchup against Chris Javier. Not much resistance there. The wallet built for the community. Mintis yung pangalawa, pero si Drex De Los Reyes with a putback deflected by Figueroa. These two guys have been going at it since the first half. Naagaw ng Abra. 8 on the shot clock. Cani gets past Drex De Los Reyes but can't convert. 2-on-1 fast break. Ayon Nayon will lay it in off that assist by Dave Ildefonso. How will Bataan respond? Cani. Big three-point shot to cut it down to 3.
Sa yun, tres yun para kay Hubert Cani.
Earlier in the first half, Abra was up by 9. Cani put in 8 straight points.
The biggest man on the floor is giving out the biggest heart as well, keeping the basketball alive for the Weavers.
Back-to-back triples for Mike Ayonayon. Mike Ayonayon has sunk a couple of threes. Now leans in off the glass. Ramirez. Another stolen pass. Figueroa. Masyadong malakas. Walang mapuntahan. Fading away. Octobre shoots over. Couple of 6'8" centers.